Hi scholars, today we're going to finish up this lesson by doing the last 2 pages. Let's go over each one separately so that we are sure we know what to do. I know you know what to do here and you probably know what to do here too, but let's make sure. I don't want anybody struggling with not understanding the directions. So the first page is page 66 that we're going to do today, and it's I can do it. Can you write it? Yes, I can. And I know you can too. So let's see. We're going to read the sentences out loud. So we got to read them out loud. Okay. Then we're going to draw a circle around the pattern words with the E-I-G-H pattern, because that's what we're working on. Remember, E-I-G-H equals the sound of long A. E-I-G-H, 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 A? Yes, that's right. Even though it sounds completely wrong. Old English. E-I-G-H, 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 A? So you question it. Yes, that's right. All right, so we're going to circle the pattern words with the E-I-G-H pattern. I can handle it. Then be ready to write the sentences when they are read to you. So, read the sentences out loud. So I'm going to read them out as I do each one. The freight on Santa's sleigh weighed too much. So here's an E-I-G-H. Freight. No. Sleigh. And weighed. I don't have to underline anything. Okay, so I just circle the pattern words. All right. Read the sentence out loud. How much does Santa's freight weigh? How much does Santa's freight weigh? So here's a E-I-G-H, A word, and here's an A word. That's the key to reading it, is to remember E-I-G-H is long A. Want to do one more together? Perfect. The sleigh bells were ringing in the neighborhood. The sleigh, there's E-I-G-H. The sleigh bells were ringing in the neighborhood. I remember neighborhood. Big, long word. 3-syllable word. Neighborhood. So go ahead and you're going to continue to do that. Say them out loud. Circle the pattern words. Don't forget to do this at the bottom. Down here, got to count. How many words with E-I did you find? So how many words with E-I-G-H did you find? So you'll go back and you'll count them. We already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we already have 7 of them. So there's going to be quite a few of those. I bet they're even into the 20s if we've already got 7. All right, so that page, pretty straightforward. Then you're also going to complete this page today, our Safari Journal. It's called the post office. We want to send some postcards and packages back home. The guide tells us about the post office in his hometown. So we're all going to learn about the post office where he is from. And we're going to circle all of the pattern words. Ooh, look at this. And heart words. Ooh, that's new. So I'm going to put a heart there. And I'm going to write E-I-G-H there. So you're circling pattern words and heart words in this lesson. All right, so in my old neighborhood, I know neighborhood, so I'll circle it. There is a post office down the street. My heart words, if you want to, you could write them here so you'll remember. Want and went. And then your other words are all E-I-G-H words. So you could write a little notes up there to help you remember. So you're circling all the pattern words and the heart words in your story. And then you got to remember to do this. How long does it take you to read the post office? So circle it, draw an arrow so you won't forget. Use your highlighter to highlight that, put a star, whatever you need to do to remember to do that. So you're going to read this out loud to your parents or your grandparents or your brother or sister, whoever you have around you at that time. Read it and see how long it takes you to write it. Takes you to read it. So we have 94 words. By the end of the year, most second graders are reading 110, 111 words. So a lot of you might be right there. If you're not, don't panic. No worries. You know how to get better at reading, just like to get better at baseball or basketball or soccer or riding your bike. That's right, you have to practice. So if you want to get better at reading, practice reading. It's hard for some of us, and it's okay. We just keep practicing because I know that you can do it. Whether it's hard or easy, or sometimes hard, sometimes easy, I know you can do it. So just keep practicing, all right? So EIGH words and heart words circled, and then read and see, write your time, how long it took you to read that passage. All right, guys, till we meet again, go out and do great works.